Kwabna. Then I'm no. Cookies. How is it like? How is it like? What do you think about it? It's nice. Because of the chocolate. Eh? Mm. So, for context, my first son can detect each and every single ingredient in anything he eats, okay? So, if he didn't notice the secret ingredient in these chocolate chip cookies, then you have to try this recipe. And the ingredient is also healthy. So, I'll start by adding my sugar and margarine into my bowl. And then, with the help of my electric mixer, I'm going to cream these ingredients together. So I'll beat until it's fluffy. So change color slightly, then you realize that's okay. Next, I'm going to add my vanilla essence. So you can use any flavoring of your choice, okay? All the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box for you to check out and replicate this recipe. So I added my beaten eggs. And then again, with the help of my electric mixer, I'll go ahead and whisk these ingredients till they are all combined. Once that has been achieved, I'll go ahead and add my dry ingredients. So I'm going in with my all-purpose flour. Then I'll add some baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Then I'll use my spatula to mix the ingredients for them to be combined properly. And now to my secret ingredients, pureed beets. Yes, you are seeing right, you are hearing right. Beets roots that have been blended into a paste. Okay, I'm going in with that also, and then I'll mix it together so all the ingredients are well combined. If you've been around for a while, you know that I love beetroots, okay? So I try as much as possible to incorporate them in certain dishes I make at home. And as much as I love them, they have these earthy taste. So basically, they taste like sand, okay? So as much as possible, I don't want that to deter my family, especially the boys, from enjoying the benefits beets have to offer. So I do a lot of research when I have to add beetroots to anything that I make at home, okay? So I'll be giving you some tidbits anytime I have these one of these beetroot recipes, okay? So as you saw, I added some milk chocolate and then I gave this a fold to incorporate the chocolate in there. And then yeah, our batter is ready. I'll cover and then leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up a bit. And then after the 30 minutes, I bring out my baking tray and then I'm going to go ahead and take spoonfuls of the dough or butter and then put it onto my baking sheet. So what happened was I bought this, I don't know, ice cream scoop right from Melcom. And to be honest, it didn't work. So I had to change and then use the normal spoon. So your biscuits will spread out a bit. So make sure not to put them too close together so they have enough room to spread. So I'll bake this in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. And yes, our cookies will be ready to be enjoyed. You'll be amazed by the color change. This is after 12 minutes when they were out of the oven. I allowed it to cool for about 10 minutes. And then let me give you the 360 in the sun or under the sun. Okay, look at these beauties. Nobody will be able to detect that there were beetroots in there. And you don't even taste it. So I hope you are inspired to try this recipe because you are surely going to enjoy it. And then your kids are not going to skip on the benefits of beetroots. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notification bells as well so that you are notified anytime I post a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked what you just watched. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this recipe. And share as well when you're done watching. And from my sous chef and I, as usual, keep blooming.